G'day guys, this is just a follow-up video regarding Windows 11 and bypassing the account side of things. So what I typically do here is, with the help of one of these, a USB Ethernet adapter, I've been able to plug that into one of the free USB ports. So I'm ignoring the Wi-Fi side of things. So if I plug that in, there, plug in the Ethernet, here. Thanks for the help, guys. There we go. And right now, we come up as, this here is the Ethernet coming up. And this will give me the option to click next. So it's going to go checking updates here. Once it's done checking for updates, I'm going to go create an account. And I'm just going to type in gibberish, or gibberish@gibberish.com. Hit enter. And then I'm going to disconnect this. And after I've disconnected that, I'm going to tell it to go back to create. And from there, it's going to go into an offline account. So I'm just going to put you down for a sec while this is updating. Right now, it wants me to enter a name for the device. I'm just going to go skip for now. And with that skipped, still got Ethernet connected. Let's add a Microsoft account. I'm going to go create one. I'm going to go there we go. So right now, disconnect, click back, boom, offline account. So pretty much that's all you really need to do. Granted, you do require one part to do it with, but with one of these, and if you're quite frequently connecting it up, or if your machine does have an Ethernet port, simply use that. But that is another way to bypass the online Microsoft account during the setup. Hope that helps, and see you later. Bye.